The exhaust is not that thick. The better is not that thick. We are going to use the smaller electrode to weld it. We will not use the big one. This is the big one. The big one is just it's like this. You can see the difference. This is the big one. This is the smaller one. Yeah. So there's a leakage under my car. The exhaust is leaking. So I'm about to weld it. So this is the way we check car. You can see the stand from here. The jack in the middle. You have to chock the ties. Chock the ties. Chock the other side. And then this is the electric machine. I'm sure when you check, you can see the leakage from here. You can see the crack over there. So I'm about to do it. I'm done with the front one, so I'm about to work on the back exhaust, and this where it's leaking from. See what I do. This read. So stay tuned.